All right, we're back. This is Market Forensics, episode 7, brought to you by Ask Bid. You already know who I am. It's Mr. Wall Street, Big God, coming to you live. I wanted to, talk. This is Don Wick speaking, coming at you, killing noise. I want to again talk to the trader in you because if you knew better, you do better. All right. So I want to talk about one of the biggest misconceptions that traders see in the retail forex industry, and in just retail trading in general, whether it be your Robin Hoods or a retail forex broker offering uh, low to no commissions. How zero commissions still can cost you thousands by there being hidden tax and it being hidden in the feed. Okay. So look, if you still believe that these brokers just want to help you trade, more power to you, but you're not in the market. All right. You're in a casino with customer service. And again, like I said before, if you knew better, you do better. Okay. So if you think zero commissions mean zero costs, you're the one getting traded. So today we're going to break down how these platforms profit off of every pip while preaching free like late night infomercials with chart feed. Let's get it in. Strap on your seatbelts. Market Forensics Episode 7. So, the pitch versus the reality. They pitch it like this: no fees, no friction, just start trading. But here's the reality. Here's the real play. The fee's not gone. It's all capped. They just camouflage it inside of the spread. And again, in trading, if you can't get past the spread, you can't make profit. All right. So again, the spread in markets like equities or futures, where it's regulated, it goes through a centralized clearing firm, and again, very liquid with a lot of open interest. You'll see a lot of instances where the spread's tight. Pause. With the exception of, when you're trading around news or illiquid environments like after hours trading. But Forex, the spread can be manipulated to benefit the broker. Okay. They don't charge you at the front door because they built a toll booth on every candle. Ah, there's that hidden tax, the spread markup. So what you see versus what you pay are entirely different. And that hidden cost can add up to thousands over time. So it's called engineering. Again, it's a hidden tax, hidden fees that you really can't see. Okay, this is where the real trap lives. The broker gets the real quote feed, then they remix it. They mark it up like a bootleg DJ and serve it back to you with a padded spread. That's an extra 3 to 7 pips. Okay, that's the tax. It's built in. It's invisible. And it's designed to feel like freedom, right? Oh, you're thinking freedom. Nope. It's all cap. It's designed to feel like freedom while it's just quietly robbing you on entry and exit. So you're getting taxed both ways. So the real cost of trading, let me give you some math here. You think you're saving $5 per trade on commissions, but when they widen the spread just enough to take $12 off, okay? Imagine taking $12 off every scalp, every trade, 20 bucks when conditions allow it. So for all you scalpers, you NASDAQ snipers who want to trade on a 1 minute, on a delayed chart, that half a pip difference is the difference between break even and broken. That's the difference between getting in the trade and getting it right out. It also can mean a significant portion of your profits if the spread happens to be a variable spread. So if you be mindful of this. Okay? Now, the funnel deposit, the funnel loop. Let me show you the real game. You deposit the money thinking that you're about to level up. You start trading, and the spread's already stacked. Not only the odds stacked against you, but the spread is stacked against you. You win a little bit, they slippage you late. You lose a little, they love that too. You repeat, and they print. So either way, you win, they tax. You lose, it's their money. All right? They're the ones profiting on the back. Okay? So you win, you're taxed. You lose, they get the back end. So this isn't about your strategy. This isn't about how good you are, your batting average, or how long you've been trading, or how disciplined you are. It's about their structure, their synthetic infrastructure, synthetic pricing, and they're able to manipulate that spread at will. Okay? So free entry equals expensive exit. They get you in the back door or on the way out of the back door. You got that? Pause. They let you in the trade like it's free, no fee. So you're thinking free lunch, right? Right? But trying to get out with your bread is really almost impossible because they're taking it on the back. You get in, free. You get out, taxed. Suddenly your order gets filled 1.2 pips late. Suddenly that spread widens on non-farm payroll like a trap door. Suddenly you realize the price wasn't the price. It was the bait. That candlestick that you thought gave you odds was a mirage. You thought the odds were stacked in your favor, but you're literally paying out the you know what. So real traders use real infrastructure. Okay? Direct market access, transparent fees, exchange visibility, order type control. That means you can use market orders, limit orders, orders with precision. You have full control over your execution. And independent clearing. Okay? So real traders don't need candy UI and dopamine dashboards. We want execution. I don't want to poof confetti just because I opened up an account. And congratulations. You took your first trade. I want DMA, direct market access. This is true order routing, right? You get real commission with real quotes from real markets. If you've never seen a depth of market or a level 2, then you've never seen the actual market. I want to say that louder for the retail traders in the back, because I got to outspeak the charlatans. Charlene jumping around like House of Pain. And don't get me started about trades by side. Oh, one of the biggest charlatans out. If you've never seen depth of market or level 2, you've never seen the real market. You're not accessing the actual market. Therefore, it's all theater. It's all for show. So I'm going to get into some red flags. It's very important that we understand these red flags and how we avoid them. Okay? So let's get surgical here. All right? Red flag, give me time. Red flag time. I love the red flags all the time. Yeah. So, fixed spreads. Oh, yeah. Real markets have variable spreads. Fixed spreads are a red flag. It means the broker controls the spread, not the market. No level 2 data? No trading for me. But retail traders don't know what to see or what to even look for. So level 2 order book, it shows real market depth. No level 2 means no real market. You're looking at a broker simulation. Simulation. You simulation snipers. That's what you are. And if you're okay with sitting and living in demo forever, then hey, be a simulation superstar. MT4, MT5 only? Well, guess what? MetaTrader are retail platforms. MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, they're both retail platforms. Real traders use Bloomberg, eSpeed, Interactive Brokers, right? Ninja Trader. No fee but wide candles. Yeah, that's another one. What about fill speed slow? Very slow in terms of filling you. They're delaying. Okay? And then always in drawdown. You start automatically, find yourself, you're in drawdown. That's them playing around with the spread. So no fee but wide candles? Yeah, if there's no fee but the candles look wide, the spread is the fee. The broker is hiding the cost in the quotes. So it's a hidden tax. Therefore, hidden slippage as well. That means delaying you on your fills and stopping you out before the market actually hit the level that your stop loss was at. If you can't see slippage reports, the broker is hiding it. Transparency is the mark of a real broker. Secrecy is the mark of a fake one, a bucket shop. So watch out for the hidden slippage, hidden fees, because it's a hidden tax. Fam, this isn't a bad look. This is a broker being shady. This is broker welfare, or warfare, shall I say. You ending up in welfare. But it's warfare. Broker warfare dressed like a discount. You got hit with a fee but didn't get a receipt. So at the end of the day, it ends up with your access being denied. When we compare infrastructures, retail CFD platforms, they're an amusement park. Direct market access brokers, they're the freeway. They're the on-ramps to the market. With a real broker, you can route your order. You can choose whether you route it to this exchange or this exchange. You've got options. You can verify fills. You pay a fee, but it's clean. It's consistent, it's honest, it's fair, it's transparent. With fake ones, though, with broker jokers, your trade never leaves the platform. No clearing, no transfer, no truth. And just like the charlatans, no proof. And this is why Charlene can't show proof, because there never was truth. No proof because no truth. So when you compare the infrastructure, you can really start to see the holes. Okay? What we're doing here is we're filling the gap. I said it earlier, and I'm going to say it again. If you knew better, you do better. Now that you know better, show better. Go and be better. Do better. Because now you have no more excuses. All right? Obviously, if the odds are stacked against you, if the spread is stacked against you, i.e., you're trading on a retail, offshore, shady Forex broker, or even some shady crypto exchange, be careful. Because as soon as you deposited that money, there was never a chance for you to withdraw. Because they stacked the odds against you. It's simple. The fee is in the feed. Now, I've given you a spread audit kit. All right? You can really check the broker firm and see if they're honest. Okay? You're not just being charged when you're taking advantage of by these shady bucket shops. You're being siphoned. Every trade that you place in a zero commission account, it's feeding your broker. It's a design simulation that was built to profit on your ignorance and your participation, not your performance. So here's the move. I want you to download the spread audit kit below. You click the link. All right. Also, go ahead and click subscribe, and hit the like button. Because I'm pretty sure you guys love these gems we're giving. All right, these truth bombs. This is Market Forensics, episode 7. We're going to be moving on to 8, and in 8, we get even deeper. We'll set you guys straight. We're going to make sure you all straighten up. This ain't nothing but a little bit of straightening. Okay? Then I want you to go ahead and join the community. Join the community of alert traders, where we dissect this deception in real time. Every day. Yeah, to this day. Yeah, you got that. To this day. And remember, if the feed is fake, the freedom is too. And no commission just means no truth. You heard it here first. This is Mr. Wall Street, Big God, Don Wicks signing out of this bitch. Until next time, ciao for now.